That's how you remove Bumbo straps in case you wanted to wash them. This is what the straps look like when you take them apart. So it's a spike that goes through the Bumbo and it clicks in like so. In order to get them out, you just need to use a tool of any sort. It's hard plastic. Anything really that you could fit in there. And what you want to do is basically pry like so. So this is what it looks like underneath. You're going to pull on this piece here. So this, pull, and then get your whatever tool and just push all the way around the spike, and you'll hear it click like so. So in order to take it out, you're going to want to put your fingers behind the tab and then take whatever tool you have. Could be a screwdriver, could be tweezers, whatever you have at home. And then you just want to push on the spike, around and around the spike. So keeping tension on it. Try to get good view. So as you pull, like so. And then this just pulls out from the inside. So you can throw them in the wash, push it back through, like that. Take your clip and just push it back in, like so. That's how you remove straps to wash.